So we think that the old school fund management, where people talk about investments in big oak panel boardrooms, they're the sort of boardrooms we'd like to burn down.
That was Joe Hall, MD of eToro, a social trading company coming to Luxembourg on the 29th of September for our Digital Fund Conference. I met up with KPMG partner Christel Wiekmans at Canary Wharf in London to find out why we invited the company to our fund conference and to meet them. Now tell me, why did you invite eToro to the event?
Because people, and especially the young generation, they are more and more using online platforms to do the investments. One of the leaders in the field is eToro, with millions of customers in the world using their platform to buy and sell investments.
Shall we go and see them?
Let's go!
A whopping 5 million people are investing online with eToro. So what exactly is this disruptor and how does it work?
So on one side you have a very simplified modern trading brokerage that can be accessed via a mobile application or via the desktop. You have a smartphone in your pocket. Within 2 taps you can make a trade, and we allow traders to come onto the platform and to trade multiple asset types: commodities, indices, stocks, ETFs, etc.
So far so good. But is it actually that different to other online brokerages?
We are a trading brokerage that is incredibly transparent and allows you to see what other people are doing and to copy them in real time.
So it's this real-time copying that makes eToro so different to other platforms. Traders can follow successful investors and copy their trades, and almost anyone can get involved.
Our minimum deposit is $200, which isn't really a big barrier for entry to the majority of people out there. So we tend to see a mix in terms of the actual status of people. And some of our most profitable traders are people who have come from very simple walks of life, let's say.
So the success stories have already started rolling in. And amongst today's traders, Joe is looking for tomorrow's stars.
If we can birth the next Warren Buffett on our platform and invest into him or her so that other people can see that would be really, really powerful. That's really the success story we're looking for. We've seen a couple of investors come with very small deposits of a couple of $100 and no real financial background, and they've scaled up to 40,000 plus copiers with millions and millions of dollars in assets under management.
When Joe comes to our conference on the 29th of September, he will likely be faced with a room of wealth and fund managers. We asked him whether they should be scared.
That's a great question. We see a wealth management or a fund management industry worth $117 trillion. We believe that area is ripe for disruption. Again, we show everyone everything in real time, completely transparent. You don't need a letter from us. You can go and talk directly to the trader that's managing your money. If you want to pull your money out, 1 click, you've got it back. No waiting time, no meetings. So we think that the old school fund management or wealth management industry, where people talk about investments in big oak panel boardrooms, they're the sort of boardrooms we'd like to burn down, or they're the walls that we'd like to bring down.
And don't forget to register for our conference and see eToro yourselves on www.kpmg.lu. In our next video, Christel takes over the microphone in an exclusive interview which explores how eToro can manage the risks of a platform where novice investors and risky and complex assets could potentially meet.